my bandits? Welcome to another quick vlog. I wanted to show you today the setup that I have for my Warzone gameplay. As you know, I've been streaming and doing a whole bunch of gameplay in strictly Warzone because I'm addicted to that game and I love that game. But today, specifically, I wanted to show you my rig and what I run with. This thing cost me quite a lot of money. As you see in the title, 5K. 5K for this setup. And you know what? I don't mind it one little bit. I don't mind spending that much money. When you see this epic freaking thing, go at it, man. This thing is set up to run 4K video, any game you can think of. And it's got some kick to it. It's got some nice power to it. And I wanted to show you the parts and things that it has. So let's open this up, bros. Let's get up deep inside this thing, man. As you can see, the first thing that sticks out is right here, RTX 2080 Ti, my friends. RTX 2080 Ti Geforce video card. This thing is a freaking beast. Best around. I don't know if there's any better ones right now. I've set this thing up a couple of months ago. I would say 4 months ago I have this set up, so some of the parts might be outdated, but currently this is what I'm running with. That's the video card. As you can see here, we got some G-Skill. How could I show that? G-Skill memory cards right over there. Liquid cooling setup right here. That's the liquid cooler on top of the processor. The processor is Ryzen 9, not Ryzen 9 3900X, 12 core, bros, 12 core. Okay, so we got 64 gigs of RAM running over there, liquid cooling on top of the Ryzen processor, and inside, buried deep inside the motherboard, which is the X570 Extreme motherboard. Buried deep inside it is a bunch of M2 drives as well that I'm running. And so this is basically how it looks. I can change the RGB colors to whatever I want. Right now I have the core, the middle parts, memory, and the processor red. Everything around here is green. I don't know if you guys can tell that. Let me focus in on that. This is actually green, but on the screen looks teal. Anywho, that's the setup. Now I wanted to show you over here, in case you guys are wondering, exact specs here. Like I said, 570 Aorus Extreme, AMD Ryzen 9 3900X 12 core processor, bros. It's pretty crazy. Let me pull up this other stat here so you guys can see the memory. 64 gigs of memory. The processor itself is 3.8 gigahertz. So this thing is a beast, and I'm able to edit 4K videos on this, play any games, like I said, that I want with no lag, no issues whatsoever. And so what we're gonna do right now for you, I haven't done this in months. I've kept this for you guys because I want it to be a special, satisfying feeling. We're finally peeling off the sticker and making this an official rig of Danny Gun. Guys, click like if you like this. What do you think of it right now? What do you think I should add? Is there any new parts that I should get now? It's been 4 or 5 months since I have this, and so I don't know if there's a better video card than this. I doubt it right now. This thing cost me quite a bit of money. So I don't know if there's anything better than that. But like I said, I'm pretty happy with it. I don't think I need to be upgrading anything. And so for those who are wondering what I'm running, what I have in here, this is it, bros. This is the beast that runs all the gaming and all the editing right now for Danny Gun. So yeah, bros, thanks for watching this. Hope you guys like the setup. Let me know what you think of it, what I should add. 64 gigs of RAM, I think is enough. Ryzen 9, I don't know if there's a better processor that came out. I was debating between the Intel, the brand new Intel processor and Ryzen. I decided to go with Ryzen because of slight little advantages that it has. But other than that, I think they're pretty close, both of them. And I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, gaming part, I haven't had any lag. I've had some issues on the live streams, but that's due to connection and some mic issues, but not the actual PC issues. So this thing is a freaking massive, satisfying rig that I like to look at it daily. So yeah, click like. And like I said, this was a $5,000 setup. That's what 5K gets you, bros. Right here. Black Widow, Razer Black Widow gaming keyboard right over here. Quiet as hell. Check this out. And obviously RGB lighting. Over here, I forgot the brand of this, so I'm gonna have to look it up right on the back here. Death Adder. So this is also a Razer Death Adder V2 mouse. It's got some buttons on the side here as well for gaming. Fits in my hand pretty well. So that is my keyboard mouse setup, bros. All Razer, and I'm pretty happy with it. I do not have the best headphones because I don't really care about headphones, but I might be upgrading that soon. These are the cheapest ones I can find on Amazon for now, just to get it going. Got some M2 drives here ready to go as well. So yeah, bros, that's the setup. Ooh, I got my Iron Man over here. That's the setup. Hope you guys like it. Click like, smash that like button if you like this thing. I love the middle liquid cooler that sits on top of the processor here in red, and my memory like that as well. So that's kind of the core of it. And it sits like that. It's not too bad. Not too bad, bros. And yeah, like I said, these are the additional RGB lights that I set up on the sides as well over there. Oh, but wait, there was more. There's more stuff to peel. Let's go. Oh yeah. Pretty satisfying. And now this thing is completely ready to go and unboxed. Just for you guys. Later, dudes. If you guys are wondering what the monitor is, it's Asus 32-inch. Nothing too crazy. Got my video camera, or sorry, my webcam up top here. But yeah, nothing too crazy with the monitor. I don't have dual monitors yet. I was planning on doing that, so we'll see. Also, I wanted to show you is I do have the my desk goes up and down with these buttons. So that's something that I wanted to add to. I can stand or sit, whatever you want. The mic is the Blue Yeti. Blue Yeti! Anywho, guys, yeah, I just want to show you that quickly, so you guys have a feeling of what I'm running with while I game.